Today we will learn how to place text in front of an image in a PowerPoint slide. Begin by launching the PowerPoint application on your computer. Make sure that PowerPoint is fully open before proceeding to the next part of the process. Taking your time to start up the application carefully ensures that you can smoothly navigate the subsequent steps. Once PowerPoint is open, locate the specific presentation you want to work on. This could be a new file that you are creating or one you have been editing previously. Open the desired presentation and navigate to the slide that contains the elements you will be working on. It is important to have the correct slide active so that the changes you make are applied in the intended context. With your presentation and correct slide open, direct your attention to the image and text present on the slide. Carefully identify the frame of the text that is currently positioned behind the image. This can be done by clicking on the region where you suspect the text is located. You might see the border of the text box, or you may notice some indication that you have selected the text element. Take your time with this step to ensure you have the right object selected. After successfully selecting the frame of the text, perform a right click with your mouse on the text itself. The context menu that appears will present several options that relate to ordering, formatting, and layout of the text box. At this point, you are engaging closely with the slide elements, so move deliberately through the options provided in the menu. From the available options in the context menu, look for the command that allows you to bring the text to the front. This command is typically called bring to front. Selecting this option will reposition the text layer so that it is no longer hidden behind the image. This step is crucial as it alters the visual hierarchy on your slide, ensuring that the text is clearly visible on top of the image and is easily readable to your audience. After you have selected Bring to Front, take a moment to review your slide to confirm that the text now appears over the image as intended. This brief inspection will allow you to catch any misalignments or positioning issues that might require minor adjustments. If necessary, you can click and drag the text to reposition it further and achieve the desired look. The ability to see the final effect of your changes immediately is one of the strengths of working with PowerPoint. Completing this process gives you a clear understanding of how to layer elements in PowerPoint effectively. By following these exact steps, starting with opening the program, moving to the appropriate slide, selecting the hidden text element, right-clicking, and then choosing to bring the text forward, you can improve the visual clarity and design of your presentation. This method is especially helpful when you need to highlight or emphasize important messages by ensuring that text is not obscured by images. Now that you have learned how to bring text in front of an image in PowerPoint, you can confidently apply this technique to enhance your presentations. With practice, arranging various elements on your slides will become second nature, allowing you to create visually appealing and effective designs for any audience. Enjoy experimenting with different layouts as you further explore the creative possibilities within PowerPoint.